In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cube on isometric graph paper. You are going to follow along on your piece of paper. We're going to do it over on the left side so that we have room to do 2 shapes on the front and a couple shapes on the back later on when you're practicing. So on this regular graph paper, I have just a square. Now I could draw this 3D on here, but it'd be very difficult. So we are going to use the isometric paper to help us do this. Now before we begin this, you're going to have to make a decision about how big your shapes are going to be. I'm going to make mine 3 lines up by 3 lines across, just so that it's big enough that you can see it. When we do our multi-view, notice how this is a lot smaller. So we're going to use a smaller scale when we do this one. Just make sure that you indicate that, or make sure that it stays consistent throughout the entire thing. All right, so as we begin, I'm going to decide to do my shapes 3 by 3, meaning I'm going to make the square 3 lines up and 3 lines to the side. When you begin, you're going to need to pick an origin point. So somewhere at the bottom where your cube or your shape is going to start. So I'm going to put it about right here. And it's okay to go ahead and draw that dot so we know where you started. All right, so to draw the first surface, I'm going to draw from that dot up 3 lines. So when I say one, that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this is going to be that front side of the cube. Now we're going to go off from the same dot diagonally this time, because we're going to create the side. So diagonally 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so to finish off this face of the cube, we're just going to connect the top and the side so that it meets at that point. So again, we're going to go diagonal 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to connect it 1, 2, 3. So this is the side of your shape, or this is the front of your shape, I'm sorry. All right, so to do the side, we're going to start again at the same point of reference that you started with, and you're going to go diagonally again to the left. So we're going to do, again, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. And then to do the side, we're going to go up. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so to complete the side of our square, or cube, I'm sorry, we're going to connect it diagonally back down to the right. So now what we have is, it looks kind of like a book. So you have your front, you have your side. All we have to do is complete it, is to fill in the top. So from the top, we're going to go diagonally 1, 2, 3. Notice how this point is also in line with the top corner here and our original point of reference. And then we're just going to complete it by going 1, 2, 3. And all of your lines should match up perfectly. Now you are going to be using a ruler, so your lines should be nice and straight. And it's okay, let's go ahead and label this. So this is our front side, this is the side view, and this is the top view. Okay? Go ahead and try that on your own paper, and then if you have any questions, please let me know.